This is going to be like an off-brand Alaska baseball fan, made in 2013. This is the one I posted on my Instagram and Facebook. So I do not have to glue to this. So. Here's medium. This fan does wobble. And you can clearly see. You didn't somewhat see that wobble. Not sure if this fan is going to be here permanently, or if I'm going to put the SMC where that Littleton was, and just put this where the SMC over here is. Let me show you. Here's that SMC right there. That baseball fan I'm recording is probably going in its place. So, yeah. And here's high. So this high speed is annoying because I can hear it taps. No wobbling. You can see that. It's quite a bad wobble, but and yes, that is a tight set screw. And yes, the whole bracket is moving as well, but because I didn't get it in there all the way, but I think it'll be fine. And yeah. And here's some what's been down. And there it is. I'm gonna snap a few pictures of it. And that's it. Bye.